There you go. I think I'm also gonna start with the salad. That's all? Oh, you want more?
Yes. Set. Why do you have a gold fork?
Because I'm a royalty. I'm the queen of the house.
It doesn't match with your chain though. You need this one. Matches with mine.
Why do you gotta be like that? Why do you gotta be like that, huh?
I didn't say anything.
Yes, you did. Coño. What is up, amiga? Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Jennyfer Ross, and I'm back at it again with yet another video. Today's video is going to be eating red foods for 24 hours. Benny and I recently did this video, but then the yellow edition, and since it's now the holidays, it's, you know, the Christmas season and all of that, it only makes sense to do a red version today, you know, so that's what we're gonna be doing. I also saw that you really liked the yellow edition, so it only made sense. Okay, we're gonna start now by making breakfast, and for breakfast I'm gonna be making some smoothie bowls. I'm gonna make some smoothie bowls. I'm gonna make them a little bit different than I normally make them, just because I need them to look really red. So yeah, let's make this fun. Let's make this a good day. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos from me. And also let me know what else you want to see on my channel. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, amiga, here are all my ingredients that I'm going to be using for the smoothie bowls. I have here a whole lot of frozen fruits, all red fruits. Here I have my liquid that I'm going to be mixing it with. It is a smoothie from Albert Heijn, my local supermarket, with apple, banana, and strawberry. I have some grapes. I have some pomegranate seeds and also some strawberries to top it off with. And we also have a Benny. Good morning.
Good afternoon.
It's a good morning. We're making breakfast. Good morning.
Good morning.
So yeah, we're gonna get started. I'm still deliberating whether I should use avocados or bananas for the base. Avocado? Okay, we're gonna go do avocado. Pray for me that this works out, because normally I use how do you call that? Soy milk for my liquid, but today it's gonna be this. So in my blender I have my avocados. Here I have my raspberries. I'm gonna add some of that. Next up we have frozen cherries. And we also have the frozen strawberries. I'm gonna add some dates, about 4, 5. Also adding 2 tablespoons of honey. 1, 2. And then we add 2 cups of this. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then we blend this up. We got grapes, red grapes. Then we got the pomegranate seeds. For this. And there you have it. This is our breakfast. Beautiful, very red. Yeah, that's for the little taste test. Benny wants me to do it first since I didn't make it how we traditionally make it. So I'm gonna be the little guinea pig. Try another bite. It definitely tastes different than it normally does, but it's good. It's delicious. It tastes really good. I like it.
Okay, that's good.
You might be onto something. Maybe we need to switch it up every once in a while and make it differently. I really like it.
Okay, Amiga, she likes it. So,
maybe you can go take your bowl.
in your opinion, with the soy sauce, right?
Soy sauce,
soy milk,
yeah,
with the soya milk. On the scale of 1 to 10, how much would you give this one?
I would give this a solid 9 out of 10.
Then how much is the one with soy milk?
10 out of 10 only because like normally we also have it with some cereal and stuff, and I really miss the cereal a little bit. But if I had it with the cereal, then it wouldn't be a problem at all.
But I will taste it in a few seconds.
This is definitely a success. I like it.
Okay.
It tastes super yummy. I already figured out what we will have for lunch and also for dinner. The only things that are a little slacking still are the snacks. We only have like one snack, I think. So I might go out in a little bit to just get a few more, just for, you know, to have like a few things to try. But yeah, super excited. And also you really get to discover like new ways of making things. So I'm not mad at this, not at all.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. We time.
I messed up the recipe.
Because it has no soy milk. Okay. See, the consistency already looks different. I'm gonna start with the avocado. It's tasty. Cool.
Okay, on a scale of 1 to 10.
It's a 7.
A 7?
Yeah.
Why is it a 7?
Because the soy milk really makes it good.
Really? Okay. You really miss the soy milk in it. Not even the cereal and stuff.
But it's good. It's not bad, right? It's not bad. But I think the soy milk gave it an extra
Creamy flavor.
Yeah.
The creaminess.
Yeah.
I agree on that, but I wouldn't mind this though.
Oh, that's
I don't mind it. I think it's also what you're really used to.
We're gonna be red at the end of this day.
Well, enjoy it, Benny.
Thank you, Jenny.
You're welcome. As you can see, I demolished breakfast. It was an absolute success. I really liked it. And now I'm gonna like quickly do the dishes and then get ready for the day. Yeah, I finished getting ready. This is the makeup that I did for today. I have kind of a red eyeshadow going on. I'm wearing this red sweater that I also wore in one of my previous videos in which we tried to get into the Christmas spirit. Blue jeans, and then I'm wearing like a white blouse underneath it because I just like that look. I'm now about to head to the supermarket. It's a super gloomy day, kind of annoying, but we're now about to head to the supermarket, so let's go. All right, amiga, I'm now on the bike on my way to the supermarket, and it's such a gloomy day, like so depressing, but we're not gonna let that ruin the fun. Let's go to the supermarket. Up on all the red snacks and drinks and things to try, so it was successful. Alright, amiga, I am back from the supermarket and I'm gonna do a quick little red haul with you. I got a few things that are not red, but that are not for this video, but I'm gonna make it quick because I hate it when this takes too long. I got this pizza. It's a pepperoni spicy pizza. Then I got a few bags of chips. I got the pop chips in the barbecue flavor. They are supposed to be red. And I also got the Piper's sweet chili crisps. I got this in the yellow video as well, the yellow version, but today I decided to go with the sweet chili version. Then we also have the Lay's Sensation Thai sweet chili. Kind of the same, I think. They might be similar, I have no idea, but also got these. Then I also got these Crodinos. Then I got these little candies for in my handbag from Ricola. And I saw that they had them in red, so I decided to get the red version. I got a few candies for us to try. I used to have these a lot as a kid. These are like sour zure mappen. I don't know how to say that. They are strawberry flavored and they're sour. And I also got these strawberry filled pipes, and I also got these little strawberry candies from Haibo. Then I also got some tea. I got this berry buzz tea from Lipton, all berries, so that's perfect for today. I got the Arizona pomegranate green tea. I just know that these are red, so that's great. And then I also got the Russian swept with berries, and I also know that this one is supposed to be red, so I decided to try that. And last but not least, I got a few other packs of tea, but they have nothing to do with this video. And yeah, that's it for the little snacks. Benny is now getting ready for us to start making lunch.
Hola, amigas. Hola, hola, hola.
He is gonna start making a lunch. We are having, what are we having for lunch?
I don't know how you say it in English.
Surinamese huzarensla, which is like a salad.
Potato salad.
Yeah, oh, yeah, it's just potato salad. Why am I being so difficult? I'm gonna try these chips, the pop chips, the barbecue. And I also have a little unboxing to do.
Do I do everything?
Yeah, just, I'm coming up in a second to film. Okay?
No, I mean, do I do every...
No, maybe half of the bag, no?
Okay.
Okay. They're not as red as you would think. They're kind of red. They're good though. And they're not fried, so that's good. They're baked in the oven. Would you like to try one?
Yes.
Yeah. That's good, right?
It's a different taste.
Right? Barbecue.
Yeah.
But I don't know if it's potato or not. It's potato, but baked in the oven.
Can you make chips from something else?
Yeah, it's a good. But sometimes you have like corn chips and things like that.
Oh yeah.
So.
And we have banana chips and cassava.
Like another one?
Yeah.
Okay, I have a little unboxing to do because I received a package from my employer. So I thought it would be fun to open it on the vlog. And while Benny cooks, I'm gonna do just that. By the way, we also received the new water cooker today. I decided to not go with the Smeg one, and I'm gonna tell you why. There is a thing that is called reviews, and I used to be very bad at reading them until one time we ended up in Italy in a hotel without our own bathroom. Do you remember that, Benny?
No, I just forgot.
You forgot, no?
Yeah.
You forgot. So yeah, we ended up in a hotel without a bathroom. That's a story for another day, or maybe for later. And ever since, we have been reading reviews on hotels, if we go somewhere, on airlines, on products that we buy. And I was too quick to want the Smeg one for aesthetic purposes, but I didn't look into the reviews. But luckily Benny did, and then we found out that the outside of the water cooker, it heats up and becomes very warm, so it's very easy to burn yourself if you're not careful. And also some people complained that the letters were falling off of the kettle. And yeah, that thing is way too expensive to be doing that, so this one will do. It also matches our coffee machine or espresso machine, so I figured this one would be fine as well. And it's a different aesthetic, but it's still aesthetic, okay? So I'm gonna open that first and see how I like it. And we saved quite a bit of money with this, huh? Instead of with the Smeg one. I think it's just a nice RVS kettle. Oh yeah, I like it. Okay. Nice, right? This is what it looks like. In the front it says Philips. And then here you have a button that you can press and it goes open. And it looks brand new inside. So yeah, happy about that. Now next up we got this package that I received from my employer. If you know, you know. You know who my employer is? And they always send us stuff since it's COVID. And normally we have like a lot of like get-togethers in which we like eat something at work or snack on something together while we have wine or something. So I think it's something in that trend.
Y'all are having wine at work?
Yeah, we do actually.
Wine?
Yes.
To get drunk?
Yes, but they always tell you that if you know that you can't handle it, don't drink too much because you are still at work. So they do warn you though. But we are, well, but my employer is very
generous.
Yes, they are. They are very generous.
Wine
so here,
at work. Wow.
I have my first card. What does it say? Oh, they sent me some Christmas cards for me to send out to other people. And it says, you're so bright. And it has like a little star. Oh, that's cute. And then one that says Dream Team. Oh, cute. And on the back it's just empty, so you can like write something for a loved one or something. And then does this one say? You are a quality colleague.
Oh, what?
Quality? Quality, they probably mean, but quality. Look at that, that's so cute. And then there's another thing. Enjoy your bubbles. Oh, this is nice. I'm not gonna read what is in it because that's a little personal. And they also gave me a gift card for one of our new products. If you live in Belgium, check out Streams. You know, got my little gift card for me to try Streams. So yeah, now on to the package itself. I see here marshmallows. I got marshmallows. I see where this is going. I also got Christmas tea from Yogi. Oh, this is so cute. Sailing net. A hug in a mug. Look. This is so cute. hug in a mug, it says. That is so cute. Oh my god. Then we got sparkling white wine for me to have with you, Benny. Isn't that great?
I ain't drinking no wine with you.
Why not?
Because when you get drunk, you are annoying.
Nou zeg, Benny.
But you get drunk.
Oh my god, they sent 2 mugs for me and you to have. Oh my god. This is so cute, Benny. So we have 2 of the mugs. And this one says the snuggle is real. Look, the snuggle is real. And the other one says a hug in a mug. That is so cute.
Thank God I don't drink alcohol.
And then we also got a throw blanket to snuggle up. This is amazing.
I'm gonna sell it.
No, you're not gonna sell it. So yeah. Oh, wait up. I forgot 2 very important things. Chocolate to drink to make our chocolate milk, you know? And then on top you can put the marshmallows. That is so adorbs. Thank you so much, Taylanette.
They won't hear you.
Say thank you, Taylanette. Come on.
Thank you, Taylanette.
One more time.
Thank you, Taylanette.
Thank you so much, Taylanette.
Thank you so much, Taylanette.
Thank you, thank you. I really appreciate it. It's really thoughtful.
She doesn't, Taylanette.
What? I'm so thankful for this. Let me see if Steven sent this or if it's like the bigger bosses.
You're calling, I'm falling. Don't know what it is you do to me, yeah. Where you go, I follow. Let's go out and dance the night away. Going like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Dance the night away. I am ready for that heartbreak. That's usually how it goes. I have done a billion mistakes before. Maybe I am going crazy. Say you feel the same now that we dancing. I'm taking my chances. I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak. I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4.
Our salad is finally ready. It's kind of red, but you know, a lighter shade of red. And it looks so yummy, so I'm gonna put a little bit in a bowl for us to have as lunch. All right, I'm gonna do a little taste test. This is so yummy.
Yum yum.
It's really good. High five. Good job, Benska.
Thank you.
And this is our drink that we're gonna have with our little lunch. All right, amiga. Here's my lunch. And here is my drink. It's pretty delicious. This is really good, Benny. He doesn't hear me. Kind of a later lunch today, but daylight saving is really messing us up. Let me try my drink. Pretty good. It tastes really fresh, so I like it. Benny's going for a second plate. Anyways, I'm gonna finish eating this and I'll get back to you in a little bit. Alright, amiga, it's time to try one of our crodinos, the little aperitivo. So I'm gonna open 2 of these for me and Benny. Cheers.
Oh, Annie, I'm drunk.
It's not even alcohol.
It's a beetje bitter.
Yeah, it tastes like the peel of an orange.
You know what it tastes like?
What?
And that bitter drink. Campari.
Campari. I'm not a drinker like that. I have no idea what that tastes like. It's...
Als je het mix met dingen.
English?
If you mix it with...
Campari?
No. Orange juice. It's very good.
Really?
Yeah.
It has like a weird kick, I feel. A bitter kick.
For the people who know Campari, it's just Campari without alcohol.
I'm not a big drinker like that, so I have no idea what Campari tastes like.
I'm telling you.
Yeah, but I never had Campari.
It's this.
Okay, just without the alcohol.
Yeah.
But what do you think? Do you think it's delicious or no?
I like it.
Yeah?
Yeah. I'm sad that the bottle is so small. The bottles are also nice.
Yeah, it's cute. Really tiny.
That potato salad is good.
Yeah.
So, okay,
it's really good. Crodino. If you live in Belgium or in Holland, go check it out. Well, since we have all the candies, I think I'm gonna try one of them. But which one? I think I'm gonna go with this one, the Luties. That's what they look like. It's like vanilla filling or something. They're good, but sour. For the fun of it, I'm also gonna try one of these. The tagaras. I like these. I think I'm gonna start making dinner in about half an hour. So yeah, I'll see you when I'm gonna make dinner. So amiga, it's now time to make dinner. For dinner, we're gonna have a ravioli pastas, ravioli pomodoro. Let me show you the ingredients. Benny is gonna help me. It's not gonna be that difficult, so we're gonna be done really soon. But let me show you the ingredients that we have. Okay, so here we have our ingredients. Here we have like the chicken grounded meat. We have our raviolis, our pasta sauce, and an onion that Benny is gonna cut for me. Right here we have like some of that beet that Benny mixed up for lunch, but I think I'm gonna use it as well because why not? I hate wasting food, so we're gonna use this mixture as well. Let's go ahead and get started. Let's boil our water. Hey! Don't nasi ver kukuchu. Don't play games with a knife.
Não sabe ter papel mais?
No hasi wega kukuchu.
No hasi wega kukuchu.
So how do you think this day is going?
I'm full.
You're full?
From the
it was
salad.
really filling.
It was good.
It was good, but it was really filling. We have some leftovers for tomorrow, so tomorrow's gonna be a party. We don't have to cook, I think, tomorrow. Nope. But it's a fun experience. Are you surprised by how many things you can still eat? Yeah, right? I was also surprised with the yellow video, but even with this one, like how many things you can still eat. The falls
today
under
we can
the red.
eat this. Oh my god. Oh, it's here. I've been waiting to eat
More
this the
snacks.
whole week.
Oh yes. The red velvet cookies.
I've been waiting this whole week
to eat them. Oh no, it is pretty red actually. Like cookies. Cheers. pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
Put some of our pasta in our bowl so that we can have dinner. Like, tell me when to stop.
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 You didn't tell the amigas that this is gonna be the taste test.
Yeah, we're gonna do the taste test because we're pretty full since we had so much to eat like today. Like everything that we had was pretty filling, so we're not that hungry anymore. And we also started this video a little bit later in the day. So yeah, we're not gonna have too much food right now, but we still wanted to try the food, and then maybe tomorrow we will have it as lunch, you know? So that's what we're gonna do now. Here you go, Benny. That's your plate.
Thank you, Jenny.
But this is what it looks like. Look at that goodness. Ooh! Let me try. Mmm.
Jenny, it can't be sweet. Everything you make is sweet on camera.
Yeah, it's really good.
Oh, okay.
Why? Are you accusing me of lying?
I'm not saying that you're lying.
Did I ever make something that wasn't good?
Okay, amigas, we're gonna go and enjoy our taste test.
What do you want to drink?
Just surprise me.
Surprise you.
What did you just say?
Yeah, right? Okay, for our drink, I'm gonna do the Schweppes Russian berries situation. I'll try that. Oh, it's a very light color. Oh my god, this is good. Cheers! I chose so many good things actually. Happy. This is such a successful day. Everything we made today was a success. Delicious. So yeah, if you ever want to try ravioli, try it this way. With ground meat, we use chicken ground meat. Bomb. From a scale from 1 to 10, Benny, how much would you give the ravioli?
A 10.
A 10, right?
Yeah.
It's really delicious. Hey amiga, it is now almost midnight. So yeah, the day went by so fast. I'm now gonna change into my PJ, wear something like more comfortable and stuff, and also take my makeup off. I might just do a cup of tea and then call it a day for today because I am so full. Everything that we ate was so delicious, but I'm just full. I can't do it no more. I can't eat nothing. So I think we are done eating for today. Hey amiga, it is now the next day. I finished getting ready. I did a little glam because I was tired of looking like a toe. So I decided to recreate yesterday's look, and I also liked the red eyeshadow that I did yesterday. So decided to redo that and like put a little jewelry on, you know, switch things up a little bit, look a little good for myself and for you, you know. But yes, now I am about to, it's already almost 3 o'clock and we didn't eat anything today yet. So I'm gonna warm up some of the leftovers from yesterday. Here I have the ravioli, and this is the potato salad that doesn't need to be warmed up. So here is my pizza. It's a pepperoni pizza. I'm about to put this in the oven. And here is also a tomato soup that I bought for this video. So I'm about to make this as well. And then we also have like some of the smoothie left. A half a bottle and a full bottle. And a basket full of goodies that we might not be able to do everything. So yeah, I'm about to like do all of that and then have everything for us to eat during the day so that I don't have to cook later on in the day. I don't mind that, so I think I'm gonna do that today. But let's get started with the soup. Hopefully this is still good. Yes, we're gonna get started with the soup, put the pizza in the oven and do all of that and assemble like a little table for me and Benny. Alright amiga, I finished assembling all the food. Here we have the ravioli, here the pizza, the potato salad, our glue wine, tomato soup, and here are little baskets that I don't think we're gonna get to, but it's the thought that matters, you know? Now we're gonna now have our little brunch situation, lunch brunch type of situation. What do you want?
Salad.
You want salad? There you go. I think I'm also gonna start with the salad. That's all? Oh, you want more?
Yes.
Oké.
Waarom doe je zo zuinig?
Ik doe niet zuinig, maar dan kan je die andere dingen toch niet meer eten?
Zet. Why do you have a gold fork?
I'm a royalty. I'm the queen of the house.
It doesn't match with your chain though. You need this one. Matches with mine.
This is good, man. The next day, this is even better. Don't you feel? So Benny, I had a few things to discuss with you. Why do you look so shocked?
Sounds so serious. Are we getting a divorce?
We're not even married yet, so.
Shut up!
That would just mean that I would leave you. By the way, thank you so much for all the love and the support that we got on that video.
What
we
video?
really appreciate it.
What video?
Like all of our videos lately. Don't you feel like?
What you said that last?
Yeah, okay, well, especially the last one because that's the one that I'm gonna refer to.
Okay.
But actually all the videos, so thank you so much for...
The music video?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you so much for all the love and the support. We really, really appreciate it. And yeah, that's really all I can say. So your love never goes by unappreciated. I definitely wanted you to know that. And especially with the last video, there were a few things like, okay, it came to light that I'm not like that familiar with everything of my culture, and you are more, what? I'm not a white girl, even though somebody said so.
Who said so?
Somebody.
Who's somebody?
Grisha Kat.
What did she say?
She said like, in that video she really found out that I'm a Dutchie.
Yes, Dutchie. She's a Dutchie.
No, I'm not.
Okay.
But it basically, what I wanted to talk about is like, that video brought like a lot of information, and it was very good because like a lot of things is good for me to know. And one of the things is that like the whole situation with like the cultural music, you know, the Winty and all of that, it turns out that you were right about that. Really?
What? Okay, yeah. Go on, go
It turns out that you were right about that, so you were more like informed about it than me.
Okay.
No.
But that happens when you're a Dutchie.
Yeah.
See why I tell you that you're not an Antillean girl?
I am.
Can I have some pizza?
Yeah, sure.
Dutchie. That's gonna be your nickname for the rest of the year. But the year ends in 3 weeks, so you can't be mad.
Another thing is also that somebody commented that the letter S, that was from another previous video, like the S cookies, the letter cookies.
From Christina.
Yeah. It's always in the shape S because you get it at the Santa Comunión, which is like your first Eerste Heilige Communie. How do you say that in English? What was it again? First Holy Communion or something? In Papiamento or even in like Spanish, they say Santa Comunión and it starts with an S, so that's the reason that you get that. And especially in Curacao, you get like a bag of goodies at the end of the party with like the letter, with Tentalaria, Panseiku and all of that. And I definitely want to give credit where it's due, so let me look up who sent that comment.
Benny sent it.
No, you didn't. Karesine Josefa has sent that comment. So Karesine, thank you so much for educating us on this topic. It's always great to learn new things.
What I also like is that what I noticed, you guys are very proud of your
culture.
Yes, because they were so willingly to inform you about the things.
Yeah.
But what I also like is like the harvesting. How is it called?
Oh yeah. Sehu. Also that, I think multiple people told me. But like I told you in the thing that it was Timadan. In the video I said that it was Timadan. But it's actually Sehu in Curacao. Timadan is for Bonaire. And then in Aruba you have Gaita. I'm not really sure. Like, don't shoot me, okay?
Shoot her!
No, don't shoot me. Don't shoot me. But that's what it was. What I meant initially. But I just like grabbed the first thing that came to my mind. But it should have been Sehu.
Alright.
Sehu.
But what I wanted to say
that's
is
the harvest party.
That, yeah, the harvest party. And like, I don't know if you guys have more like the Tumba. But everybody is really happy to participate, but especially the Tumba, right? That people are really actually writing songs to compete And for the Sehu, that people are really. You told me that they have a competition for what's the nicest.
The nicest song as well. I came to understand.
But also the outfit, right?
Yes, with the outfit they have like the scarf, and they tie the scarf. Also, somebody left a comment about that.
But they also have a competition for that.
Yeah, they also have like a competition for who can tie the scarf at its best.
Yes.
And those are definitely things that I would want to do, or like get more educated on when I visit Curacao. So if you know like where they give like workshops and things about that, leave them in the comments down below, because I'm always interested to learn more about my culture. Especially, I was a baby when I moved to the Netherlands. I didn't get a lot of that in my upbringing. So why do you gotta be like that? Why do you gotta be like that, huh?
I didn't say anything.
Yes, you did.
But what I want to know, is it like for every singer, do they really like at least once participate with the Tumba? Or
what do you mean?
Like you have a lot of artists there, right? Who are singing. Is it like a dream for them to like at least once win the Tumba?
Yes. Yes.
Right?
And like mostly, you barely even have like people that will just come out of nowhere and participate. It is possible, but it's normally it really doesn't happen. I think that Quintany Tishon, you know, from that you said like he had a lot of love problems. That
but that was a joke.
I know.
I haven't heard all his songs.
No, I know, and it's not based on his real life, I guess. So yeah, it's all a joke, you know. But I think there was a time that he just came out of nowhere and participated.
And did he win?
No, he didn't, but then like a few years later he did one, so...
Tishon has won a Tumba.
Tishon has also won a Tumba, yeah.
That's nice.
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, he has also...
You see, but that's what I mean, like, I know when I was younger we had a few competitions, like we had Miss Alida. It's like some kind of beauty contest in Suriname, but it was like, it was really for Surinamese people. I don't know if they still do it. And you also have Suripop. That is a Suriname song festival. I think they still do that, and I don't know how popular it is, but I know when I was younger it was a big thing, like and like you said, you always knew the people who were competing, that you always have heard them before on the radio and also, but now I don't really know. I think they still do it, but I don't know who was the last winner. But maybe I need to check that, but I don't feel like it's that popular like before.
Oh, that's such a waste.
I don't know, maybe because I live here, I don't know, but maybe the people there, they just know, you know?
Yeah.
But yeah, so that's what I really noticed, is that like
people are really proud and connected when it comes to that, yeah.
Yes.
That's great. I love that too. And you know what I also love? Maybe it's my audience. What is her?
Me?
I need to snuggle up with my tail net thingy.
Go on.
Yeah, what I also love is, maybe it's my audience or maybe it's us Antillean people in general, but like all the criticism was constructional.
Yeah.
Constructive, and that's really something that I love, because as I already said, I was very little when I came to the Netherlands. I was a baby, so people could also be instead like, yeah, she's talking, you know, you're talking crap, you don't even know what you're talking about, but instead, like, everybody was like very respectful about it, and they just were like, hey, it's all love. So I really loved the constructive criticism when it came to like all of those topics, and I'm gonna admit that I don't know much about it. So yeah, it's definitely something that I need to work on. Yeah, that is it, I think, for this video.
This red video.
Yes.
Red, white.
I must say, like with the yellow video, after the yellow video, I was like, I cannot see anything yellow, but I don't have that feeling right now.
I had it yesterday. I couldn't see anything red anymore. Nope.
Yeah, but it was a lot of fun to film. Yesterday we had like the smoothie bowls. What do you think about the smoothie bowls?
Didn't I grade it yesterday?
Yeah, but still, we're doing a little recap.
It was good, but I'm not gonna. If I can choose between with soy milk or without, I would still choose
with the soy milk.
Yeah.
Okay. For me it was equal. I liked it without the soy milk as well. It had like more of a sorbet type of feeling, and to me, I don't see anything wrong with it. To me, it was fine. So I would be totally fine to have it like 2 times a week without the soy milk and 2 times a week with the soy milk. Then for a snack, I think we had like the potato chips with the barbecue sauce.
That was good. That was good.
Right?
Yeah.
That was delicious. And then we had the potato salad.
Was also good.
Yeah, we definitely recommend trying it. Do you have a link for the recipe?
Yeah.
Yeah, I will link it in the description box down below so you can check it out, but I definitely recommend making the potato salad because it was delicious. I'm about to have some of that later on. Then as snacks we had like the 2 bags of candy, like the filled tubes and also the strawberry.
I didn't like the filled tubes so much.
No, you didn't?
I like them, but I like the other ones more.
Okay. Well, I loved the filled tubes. I think I ate the whole bag. It's gone. So yeah, I like them a lot. We also had this.
Golos, yes, you had
the crodino. What do you thought about this?
This is sweet.
This was good, sweet. Yeah. I do think that not everybody is gonna love it.
If you don't like it, if it's too bitter, mix it with orange juice.
Okay, yeah, that's a good thing to say, yeah. And then for dinner we had ravioli, which we didn't...
That was very good.
Yeah, this was so bomb. Like even with like the rest of the beet pasta that you use for lunch, like bomb. It was so delicious. So I'm about to eat some of that as well. And then I think today is basically a little...
And the pizza.
Oh, the pizza. The pizza is also...
The glue wine.
Delicious glue wine already.
And
tomato soup.
Tomato soup.
I didn't get to it yet, but I had it before and I always like it. So yeah, I think this video was really successful. And I would recommend like literally everything that we have.
Yep.
Yes. The bags of chips is just for another time because there's so much other yummy stuff to eat right now. So we're gonna get to that. But I wanna thank you so much for watching. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos from me and from us. And yeah. Again, he really loved that song. Now we are listening to all Jeon songs and like all Amos songs. So
and Dayo.
We're listening to all of the songs. So yeah, which one?
Mostaman and Buchi.
Oh yeah, that's a good song. That's a good song. But that will all be for the part 2 when we do the part 2 of the music videos reacting to your favorite songs. So yeah, that's that. But thank you so much for watching and until next time. Bye!
Ayo!
Ayo amiga!
Te quiero.